So currently I'm looking into this trade and uh, I'm pretty much uh, waiting for my entry. So let me show you what I actually I'm seeing into this trade. Just look into this area that we are already at the monthly OB and the price have not reacted really nicely since it's monthly OB. I was expecting that the price should have hit its previous OB over here. So the price hasn't reacted to this OB really nicely. When I looked into the weekly OB, we are pretty much having this OB over here. Just look into this. The whole move started from here. There was a reaction, we can tell that, but we are still not pretty much sure. So I went to daily and we are already having an OB here. Just look at this. This was the place from where the price actually had reacted. So I'll put that in daily OB color, and since we are already analyzing it from a longer time frame, so bigger time frame. Sorry about that. So when I went to the daily and I am just looking into the 4 hours, just look at this. This is the area from where the actual reaction came, and we actually flew from here, right? So this is the area from where we actually flew, and let's mark it in the green so that now we are gonna proceed further. So this can be important. So when I went to 1 hour, just we are already in the downtrend. Just look at this, that we are already having this high over here. Sorry about that. Maybe I had clicked a different area. So this is the high, 1 hour high. So let's make it 1 hour high. This is 1 hour high. And we are pretty much not sure about the 1 hour low since we have created this low. So the low is established here. So let's take this as a low. When I went to the 15 minutes, let me show you the RSI. We are already having divergence in RSI, and just look at this area. We are already accumulating in RSI, so I'm expecting a really nice move from this area. Okay, so just look at this. We actually let me show you from the 5 minutes. We actually had a reaction from this area, that 4 hours OB. So in 3 minutes we can see that even in 5 minutes and the 3 minutes there was a breakdown, but even when we'll go into the 5 minutes, it's the 5 minute high. It's the 5 minute high, this one, which has not been broken yet, and this one is the actual low, which we have established right now. So I'm actually waiting for the breakout of this structure breakout, really bullish way, and when it'll retrace back, I'll be entering the market with a appropriate stop loss. So this is my current analysis on the Mana USDT. So let's see how the trade goes. I'll update it. So I'm currently seeing that the price is taking support from this area, and probably if it breaks the structure of this, sorry about my background noises. If it breaks the structure of this area, this can be the invalidation point of the move. So I'll be taking trade somewhere near to it. Okay. So I'm still waiting for the breakout over this area. So we are close to the reaction of the previous low of this smaller time frame. I'm still waiting for the reaction and the upward push over here and the bullish pressure. Let's see how the trade goes, and actually that I haven't yet entered the market. I'm waiting for the confirmation. As I told that I'll be entering after this breakout, and let's see how the trade goes. Uh, so looking into the 15 minutes, we are already in the downtrend, and I'll be waiting for the smaller time, actually not the smaller time, the 15-second high breakout. for the reaction of this move. So let's see how much time it takes for the confirmation. I think we are gonna cross into this area and get down. Let's see if we actually break this structure. Uh, this is structure over here, and we are gonna fall or what? Yeah, we did break the structure, and let's see if it's reacting or what. Because in higher time frames we have 1 second to close. Yeah. So the structure has been broken, and almost this setup has failed. Let's see how the market goes. If it doesn't break this structure, even the smallest structure over here, so we can be thinking that the market is quite bearish and will show reaction afterwards after this OB perhaps, or this OB. But we will still wait for the actually the breakout of this structure for the actual move. So let's see how the market goes, and I'm still not sure about taking any bullish trade unless until I get any confirmation about it. So let's see. So we are still roaming around the 5 minutes zone, and we haven't broken the structure yet, and I'm waiting. And it's been about more than 2 hours, I guess. 2 hours 40 minutes of my waiting, and I haven't taken the trade still. Now this is a deciding area what actually is happening over here. So either we are gonna form a breakout structure and a form of a bullish sign over here, or either we are gonna break this low over here and we are gonna fall, right? So it's the 30-minute short, and I'll go to the 1 minute for the. Just look at this, that we are now consolidating, and we are pretty much. I don't know from where is it reacting. Still, let's see that. Is there any zone actually? No, not now. So perhaps this one is the OB. From where is it reacting? I guess this one, but it's already been mitigated, so I can't consider it even. Let's see that. Is it clear now? So there might be some area where it's not been mitigated. Okay, yeah, we are good to go. We went to 10 seconds, and yeah, we are not mitigated over here. So this is where the price is reacting from, and let's see uh, how the actual market goes, because this is the high, actual high, which has been formed here, and uh, I'm still thinking that we are still not touching the OB of the previous high. So let's see that it's quite bearish still in my eyes, and I have been waiting for the long time for this trade, and if it's not actually moving in my direction, it's okay. I'll be quitting it at times. Let's see. So this one is the 10 minutes. I don't have any special code for the 10 minutes, so I'll be making it this pink. Okay. Okay, fine. Let's see that actually that's not 10 minutes, that's 10 seconds. So let's see that how the actual market reacts. Here we can clearly see that the uh, the sailors, actually not the sailors, the one who got captured over here was the buyers. The buyers got captured here, who was actually planning to take the trade after the breakout of the of this area, and they are trapped, and perhaps they can be the uh, bait of this market, and the market can fall. Still, I'm not sure, but let's see that we are having a reaction over here, that we are actually making small moves in our RSI, but the price is going down and down. But when we look into the 1 hour, we can clearly see that we are having a bullish zone over here, and uh, I'll be entering the market when this actual great move of the 1 minute will be broken. So let's see, either we broke to the downside, or we will break to the upside. I'm still on check since last 2.5 hours, I guess. So let's see how the trade will, if we will be executing our trade or not. Perhaps the market is making me wait a lot more than I am actually expecting it to. So let's see. So here, actually, in the 10 seconds, we are actually taking support from this OB, small OBs over here. So perhaps we are gonna break this structure. Uh, this can be a small trade of the 1 to 2 minutes, I guess, but the target can't be really high. It will be the uh, high of the 1 minute from where I was at the point from where I'm looking for the actual breakout. Actually, it's not this one. It's 5 minutes perhaps now. Yeah, actually this one. I'm looking for the perfect breakout, but perhaps there can be a trade of this long position over here from where the market will enter, and this can be the target, and this will be the stop loss. So it's pretty much this much, 1:5 ratio. Let's see that. I'm still not sure about it, so I didn't took any trade, but let's place it if it'll get a trigger or what. But here we are. Just this will be the first breakout in the 10 seconds. I guess we are looking at the 5 seconds right now. So here we are. Uh, this is the first breakout. Come on, bro. We are gonna burst from here if it's gonna happen. So we did take a, I don't know if we actually break out from this area or not, but let's see what's happening in 1 minute. We actually faced a reaction over here. It's okay. The reaction is not that much bearish over this area, but we still have to see that how the next candle reacts to that zone. This was quite a reversal kind of structure over here in the 10 seconds. So perhaps this gonna reach this target uh, of the 1 minute. So I'm still not sure. I'll be taking trade after this level only. So let's remove it. It's kind of a alluring thing. So let's see. I'll be updating further. So here we can see that we are taking support from this OB, this structure over here. We are above it, and so this is a bearish, sorry, a bullish sign, and yeah, we actually break this structure over here. Just look at this. Okay, fine. We broke the structure, and we are actually waiting for the market to move at this level. So perhaps many people, most of the experienced trader, I'm quite conservative trader, so most of the trader could have entered this level and just this long position entered this level at, I'll show you where it was the entry for the actual market. So this could have been an entry over here because this area, but it wasn't triggered. So uh, perhaps this, there is no clear entry yet. I don't know. I'll just opt for this area for the entry with this stop loss. Since we broke the structure now, this area, this area could have been the stop loss, and this could have been the target 1:7. So let's see if we are gonna hit or not, and still not clear about that. So I'm pretty much alarmed about the situation. Let's see. So you can clearly see, actually not you can clearly see, but I just figured it out that the OB from where it's taking the reaction is 5-second OB. That means the market is showing a really bullish sign, but it's failing to make a new high right now. Let's see how it reacts to the current scenario. I don't think it's gonna come down again and it's gonna, oh sorry, it's gonna hit this entry position. Yeah, just look at this. Just look at this. We are breaking the OBs over here and we're flying high. Uh, let's see if it's gonna hit the TP without even triggering the enter. So let's see. I think that we are gonna hit it. Okay, we are already really bullish in 1 hour. So the price will be reacting in that case only. And that is what is happening right now. I'm still concerned about the uh, second breakout this is of this structure, since I'm pretty much sure about my rule and I'm not gonna break it either way, because this is quite an entry. I know that there is some confirmation of this entry, but still I'm not much okay with my rules getting broken, and so yeah, let's see how it goes. And we are gonna hit the target, I guess. So let's wait. If we hit the target, I'll show you. Okay. So either way, if you're gonna enjoy, then let's see. So it's already been about 3 hours, I guess, since morning. Let me see. Okay, can I measure it? It's already been about wait, 4 hour 18 minutes since morning, and we haven't been showing any kind of reversal sign yet. Uh, I was looking through this trade. I haven't taken it. It's just on the chart so that I can be aware that we are gonna hit it. Either way, it's there was a breakout over here. This and that. So this is where it is, and let's see how the chart behaves, and then we will actually take any trade or not. It will depend on it.